Hey, what's going on? Vinay Kumar here. In this video, I am going to reveal how to find the best ClickBank products to promote. Now I am going to reveal some of my secret strategy I used to actually know what product to choose to start promoting to make affiliate commissions. Now you are going to learn specifically inside of this video how to choose profitable niche to find products and that can pay you for years to come. Now before you even find a product, you need to choose on a niche of product that you want to actually start promoting. And with that secret, you are going to learn how to do it properly. You are also going to discover the most important metric to look for the results in you making easy sales or failing completely and not making a single sale. You are also going to learn specific proven criteria to make sure a specific product has that virtual guarantees you will make effortless sales and much more to make money with affiliate marketing. It's my personal favorite method that can even allow you to make money on total autopilot. So without further, let's dive in right now. So like I said, I am going to teach you how to find the best ClickBank products to actually promote. Now if you don't have a ClickBank account, you just go to clickbank.com, go to top right corner, sign up, and then you just start filling out your information and you can actually sign up for free. Now once you inside the ClickBank, you go to affiliate marketplace and click on that and you will be redirected to this page. How to actually start finding the best product. Now these categories on the left can be thought as niches. Now a niche, if you don't know what that is, niche is basically a category or a topic that you can find products about. Now the very first secret I want to share with you is rather than going out there and starting to promote in some random niche that you know almost no one ever heard of, what you can do actually is choose one of the three niches to find products in, and this will virtually guarantee that if you have a blog promoting this product or a YouTube video or you have some converting ad, you could potentially have that ad working for your making affiliate commission, or you can promote through Facebook automation making your affiliate commission for years, because what these three niches are evergreen, meaning they will never ever stop being relevant for people. The very first one is health and fitness. Okay, so you want to think about possible promoting products in this health and fitness niche. People are always going to want to lose weight. People are always going to want to build muscles, right? People are always going to want to improve their health. So if you find products in that specific niche, chances are for years you can successfully make money. Second one is wealth. ClickBank can either be business and investment or e-business and e-marketing. When you actually open them, you will see sub niches. Now people are always going to want to make more money, save more money, learn how to invest money is always going to be relevant. And the last one is relationships. Okay, people want to improve their relationship, meet a girlfriend, meet a boyfriend, get better at marriage. Relationships are always relevant and you can find them under self-help like dating guides, marriage and relationships. So I would choose one of those categories first off. Okay, this is how you are going to ensure that you are always going to be set. Now how do you choose which one do you have more interest in? Maybe you have been researching a lot of information on a specific one of those niches. I would start there. Now for demonstration purpose I would do e-business and e-marketing. Okay, because I am in the make money online niche, which is again e-business e-marketing. Right now it's sorting results by rank, okay, which is a bit random. The next step that I personally recommend this is the metric that I always look for, and you want to look for when you want to choose the right product on ClickBank is you want to sort results by gravity. Now gravity can be shown right here. Now what is gravity? Well, gravity according to the ClickBank is a average of how many other people or how many other affiliate marketers were making sales with the specific product within the last week. So when you sort it by gravity, the highest most best selling product are going to be towards the top. Okay, so this one right here in e-business and e-marketing is selling the best right now, so it has a gravity of 253.26. so you want to look for a product that has at least 100 gravity. That's my personal criteria. Some of the niches have very low gravity, even the top one. So again I would start these bigger niches and then look for the product that have at least 100 gravity. Now the very next step is we want to look at the average dollar per conversion, which means when you go to promote this product and if you don't know how to find your affiliate link, you click on the promote, generate hope links. Okay, now you need to enter your nickname and click on generate hope links. Here is my personal affiliate link, okay, for this specific product. Now what you want to do, look at the average dollar per conversion, because this is how much on average when you send someone to your affiliate link with all the upsells and downsells, all the different products in the back end. What's the average amount of money you are expected? When other people send traffic to their link, this is on average how much they make. Okay, this one is $52.93. Okay, now I personally recommend you really consider promoting something that pays you on average at least $25, because the problem is you start running traffic. Let's say you even do like paid advertising, then what's going to happen is if the average dollar per conversion is very low, you are not even going to able to break even on the front end as you start running traffic. So again I usually look for at least $25 per conversion. So once it has a good gravity, this could potentially be a good product right here. This one, don't overlook some of the bigger dollar per conversion product, as well as just in some cases it's going to be a little bit harder to convert based on the traffic you are doing. So if you are doing more warm traffic like YouTube, social media, then these higher ticket products can work a lot better for you. If you are just doing cold traffic, then you may want to stay to some of the lower like this $25. Okay, then start to build a list and then you can promote higher products on the back end. But once you find a product that has high gravity and good dollar per conversion, at least $25 or higher, it is very good product to promote. This is how we can choose profitable product on ClickBank. If you got a value on how to find the best ClickBank products to promote, be sure to click the like button and subscribe. And if you have any queries, please comment below. I will be replying as fast as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.